Hi y'all, today I'm going to tell you how to make slime. It's only a little ingredients that you will need to make it. You need flour, salt, but right now I'm having more salt. And you need some, that's really it. Okay. So, I'm going to do a next video.